Learning goal for 4.2, students are able to analyze and compare functions. The Aligning Core standards are 8th grade math, functions, standard 2, standard 3, and standard 5. And our I CAN statements are I can identify linear and nonlinear functions. I can identify where a function is increasing and decreasing. I can compare rates and initial values of functions from graphs, tables, equations, and stories. And the proficiency scale, level 4, which is mastery, students are able to demonstrate proficiency and create functions that satisfy given conditions. A level 3, which is proficient, students are able to analyze and compare functions. A level 2 is approaching. Students are able to analyze and compare some functions. And a level 1 is remediation. Even with help, students are not able to analyze and compare functions.